Adventure riding pushes your limits, and your bikes too. Whether you're crossing continents or exploring trails closer to home, every journey carries its risks. One fall or unexpected obstacle can bring your adventure to an abrupt end. And when you're calling AAA to haul your bike to the nearest workshop, the fun is over. What follows usually isn't quick or easy. You're now dealing with delays, paperwork, and the logistics of getting both you and your bike back home. Suddenly, your ride turns into a headache. So that's why reliable protection isn't just an upgrade, it's essential. We're proud to announce the latest expansion of our Moto Armor lineup, introducing a complete crash bar system designed specifically to give your motorcycle the ultimate protection. Robust, reliable, and ready for the long haul, this system ensures you can ride farther, explore deeper, and venture with confidence, knowing your bike is protected at all times. The Lone Rider Crash Bar system consists of 3 independent modules: a skid plate, lower crash bars, and upper crash bars. The skid plate and lower crash bars both fit the R1300 GS and the GS Adventure, while the upper crash bars are designed specifically for the standard GS. Now, all these modules can be mixed and matched together with the BMW OEM protection parts. So, for example, you can install our skid plate and keep the original crash bars while fitting our upper crash bars at the same time. Or you can also leave the original skid plate while installing our lower crash bars. So by offering this flexibility, we offer a custom solution that fits anyone. However, for the very best protection, we strongly recommend our complete crash bar system, and here's why. Now, first of all, our skid plate is not only sturdier than the original, it also offers better coverage and features integrated rubber dampeners. Now, these dampeners help absorb impact forces effectively and will keep the underside of your bike much safer. Secondly, our lower crash bars have a way more sturdy design compared to the original crash bars, but most importantly, they offer much better protection from impacts from below. But what makes our crash bar system really stand out from the competition? Check this out. On each side of the lower crash bars, we've integrated replaceable plastic pucks. These pucks protect the bars from scratches and scuffs if you drop your bike on the street. They also help shield the bars during aggressive cornering when the bike leans far into a turn. Inside each puck, we've added additional rubber dampeners that absorb impacts even further to better protect your motorcycle. But beyond these unique features, one of our biggest design priorities was achieving the perfect balance between sturdiness and flexibility. Now, if crash bars are too rigid, they transfer excessive force onto your bike and its attachment points, yet if they're too flexible, they will instead smash into your cylinders. So after extensive and, sometimes painful testing, we managed to find the ideal balance in our design. Our crash bars flex just enough during an impact, absorbing energy effectively without touching your cylinders. Our crash bar system consists of 3 independent modules: the skid plate, lower crash bars, and the upper crash bars. Each module is packed individually, giving you total flexibility to choose the modules you want for your bike. Each box includes the main product along with all necessary installation hardware. Whether you prefer to use our components as a complete set or mix and match them with BMW's original parts, you'll always have exactly what you need for a smooth installation. The Lone Rider Crash Bar system is made from electroplated 304 stainless steel, providing strength and corrosion resistance. They feature integrated, replaceable impact pucks made from polyamide 66, designed to absorb impacts and reduce direct damage to the bars. The skid plate is made from 4mm powder-coated 5052 aluminum, offering robust protection for your engine. So, installing our crash bar system is quick and straightforward, even if you never tackled a job like this before. But we completely understand if you're feeling a bit unsure, as it's a big piece of kit. So that is why we have a clear and easy to follow installation video that walks you through step by step the whole process, from start to finish. So even with little or no prior experience, you'll have all the guidance you need to confidently, but most importantly, safely install your skid plate and crash bars all by yourself. So, our first batch of crash bars and skid plates is currently on container ships bound for our regional warehouses. So if you pre-order now, you can expect delivery in early July. However, with the high volume of inquiries we received so far, we expect the first batch to sell out fast, and there's no guarantee that the stock will last through the entire pre-sale period. So if you want to be sure to not miss out, place your order right now, and as a bonus you get 20% off plus free shipping worldwide when you order no later than May 25th. Thanks in advance guys, and as always, ride safe and ride protected.